Good evening and welcome again. I'm gonna do something a little bit different tonight. Kind of, going through another one of my hobbies and interests and things, which are fairly broad. I probably have too many, and not nearly enough time to explore everything, but I try. But just seeing what's out there and sharing things with the world, I guess. So tonight I figured I'd pull something out. It's something I've been getting back into a little bit and one of my main interests, but I figured I'd do more of a long-term review of something I've had a little bit while, and then here we are. So here you can see is my CRKT folding Razel. I've been beating this up and working it pretty hard for about 3 years now, and it's held up well. Actually found this browsing another late night session of actually some YouTube video. So stumbled across it, and reviewers said they weren't making any more. I was really bummed out about that, but turns out I found one. Amazon still had them, so like I said, been a workhorse and very, very good. I cut a lot of things with this. I used to do a little telecom work. Worked good for some cabling and things, so it's quite nice for that. Sturdy. I've actually only had to sharpen this about maybe 5 times in the past 3 years. It gets a little duller quick now. Most of what it gets put through the paces now is just cutting boxes and cardboard and tape and opening up stuff, and that it does what I do on a day-to-day basis has to do with a lot of staples and boxes, and that's one of the nice features of this. It has that kind of snubbed out tanto point to it that works very well, actually. So that is really nice for getting up under the staples and rocking them out. I mean, I have had issues since I've been doing that a little bit of getting a little bit of flex in there and have to tighten it down, but there is a screw there to tighten that down, and hasn't given me much trouble there. There's a liner lock. Did come with a nice belt clip, nice open. When you open it, it's a nice solid snap lock. It does have the ambidextrous opening studs there. It does have, if you can see there, it does have some nice grippy parts on there to choke up on it for the finer work. Used to have it does have an additional lock on it too, to keep the blade from closing on you. Even with the liner lock, you try to push on the liner lock, it won't close with that up. Used to have a little stud on there, but I dropped it a couple of times and the little stud popped off. No big deal. It's a little bit dirty today too, but haven't taken extreme good care of it. But that is a testament to what it's capable of. I'd say it's been pretty darn good for me. Like I said, 3 years and still going. So I think that's a plus. I got a couple other CRKT products. I'm quite happy with it. I mean, it's not the most high tier special whoop-de-doo thing, but I've been impressed so far. So CRKT do a good job. They do a couple, they do a few unique things, and that's what I look for. So, like a manufacturer that does some, just takes a different take on things. But here that is. I hope you enjoyed. I'd like to continue watching. Gonna make some more videos. Gonna do some more crafty stuff and get the artistic things out, and tips and hints and tricks and things that I've learned. But just for right now, CRKT folding Razel. Haven't checked on Amazon to see if they still have this available. They might. If not, hopefully you can find one. And hopefully they'll be coming out with some better, or not necessarily better, but similar things in the future. But right now she's going back in the side pocket, ready to go back to work tomorrow. So, well, thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like the video, subscribe if you wish, and we'll have more coming. Thank you.